Hi, my name is Freddie with Infinite Tech Services. We're out here with one of our customers. We're going to do a site survey, kind of go over where the camera placements are going to be before we actually get to the overall install. So we always get the question when customers either they want wireless cameras or wired cameras. And one of the big concern with wireless cameras is how good is your Wi-Fi. So those cameras are really dependent on the Wi-Fi versus a hardwired camera. They're not dependent on the Wi-Fi. So if the Wi-Fi goes down, the cameras are still going to be recording with the local hard drive as well. One of the benefits of hardwire system is you don't actually have a monthly subscription to the cloud. You have a local hard drive. So as long as you have power to those cameras, they're going to keep recording. Versus a wireless system, you're going to have to pay a monthly membership. It can be between $30 to $100 a year. So also with the wireless cameras, it's going to increase the bandwidth of your internet. So you can definitely see some fines or some increased charges on your internet bills.
Porch pirates are estimated to be behind about $23 million of theft on an annual basis. It happens everywhere, it seems, but is there anything that can be done to stop it?
So at the time of this video, it's fall. So this is when we see an increase in customers getting security cameras, whether it be wireless systems, hardwire systems. So they increase installs because there's a lot of online ordering, especially around the holidays. So you get a lot of porch pirates. So it's always good to have remote access, especially if you're going to be away for the holidays. You always want to have your phone in case, just check in to your cameras to see what's going on. Well-placed cameras in your home, it's also going to be a deterrent for thieves. Thieves always look for an easy target, and if you have cameras and they can see you have cameras, they're going to skip your house. So another advantage of having a camera system in your home, you can actually download the footage to provide for evidence. So we recently had a customer that had her car sideswiped by a drunk driver, and she literally parked right in front of my customer's car. We were able to download that footage and send it to the insurance company, and she didn't have to pay a deductible. So that was great.